reporting live from the acorn rolling race. The race is about to start.
Starting first and fast, I will be the one starting for I love you. Starting to roll the acorn first and fast for the next squirrel. Rolling, rolling, roll, rolling, rolling, roll, rolling, rolling, rolling the acorn fast. Roll it, running, running, run, running, running, run, run around till the end.
Now we have seen our player 1. It's time to move on to see who player 2 is.
Second player, I start to roll and run it faster than the first squirrel. Player 2, pass it to the third squirrel, but make it a safe toss for the squirrel. Rolling, rolling, roll, rolling, rolling, roll, rolling, rolling, rolling the acorn fast. Roll it, running, running, run, running, running, run, run around till the end.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are right at the finish line. Who's going to win this acorn race? We have to see. We have to see. Oh, look, as we speak, player 3.
Last week, player 3